Piece of tin.
Roblox world.
Choose one animal in this list.
Dragon, tiger, and a bat. Which one should I choose now? All right, I will get the bat.
Your selection has been accepted.
Maybe I'll have the flying ability like a bat, lol. Let's see if anyone else chooses the bat.
Oh, hello, girl. We both chose the bat.
Haha, that's funny. But why are you here alone? Where are the other people?
Maybe they are not online yet.
That makes sense. Should we join a group chat now, boy?
Okay, girl.
Landlord's daughter and Jerry TM join Z's group chat.
Oh, there are 2 new members here.
Hi, my name is Ursula. And this guy is Jerry.
Hey, welcome to this group. My name is Christine.
I'm Steven.
Wow, you guys have the same mascot. That's so adorable.
That compliment makes me feel so good. Steven is my crush. Should I take this opportunity to show affection?
Your channel is nothing. It serves zero purpose. You should reset character now and give somebody else a piece of that oxygen and ozone layer that's covered up so we can breathe inside this blue trapped bubble. Because what are you here for? Rethink your life. I mean that with 100%, with 1,000.
Steven.
Whatever, thanks. But I don't really care about that. Lol.
Oh, how could he say that? Doesn't he like me?
Mods, crush the skull, thank you.
A's. Anyway, do any of you want to do a face reveal?
Who put you on the planet?
Very well.
Whatever.
I'll take the pleasure.
Wow, you look stunning.
I can say the same thing.
I'm a girl, but I also see that she looks so pretty.
Jerry, wanna go next?
Okay, dear.
You look so handsome, boy.
Run away, Simba. Run. Run away and never return.
Nice man.
Very nice. Anyway, Steven, do you want to go next?
I'm not in the mood for that. You can go next.
Okay.
Wow, she is so beautiful.
Yeah, but you are prettier.
Steven, would you like to say something?
I have nothing to say about your photo.
Oh, he is so cold.
Anyway, this is me.
good looking.
Yeah, great.
Oh my god, you are so charming.
Honestly, I think you both would be a nice couple.
I think so too, man.
Stop labeling me with someone I don't like. That makes me uncomfortable.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Calm down, man. Your words might hurt Christine's feelings.
I missed the part where's that my problem.
Okay, guys, please stop.
Enough introducing. Let's play GOH. Anyone?
Okay.
A few hours later,
That was fun.
Thank you for having us.
By the way, we're going to NYC for a vacation. So we will be offline on Roblox for 4 days.
I hope you two will develop a love relationship.
Zip it.
You want me to kick you out of here? Oh no, he's getting angry.
We're out of here.
What a bunch of annoying people.
Calm down, they are gone.
You are no different from them.
Hey, what can I say, man? I'm just better.
What? Are you mad at me? What did I do?
Stop asking. Do whatever you want. I'm out of here.
Hayes, Steven was so rude to me. Maybe I should uncrush him. That's right. I'll join Brookhaven to play and find someone else.
in Brookhaven.
Oh, there is a handsome guy over there. Hello, boy. How it's going?
Pretty girl. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you. Are you friendly?
If I am friendly, as you say, then can I flirt with you? This is me.
You are not bad looking at all. Then here is me.
Not just friendly. You're so charming too.
Thank you for the compliment.
Then can I flirt with you?
Can we talk about that later?
Okay, I don't want to make you uncomfortable.
Do you want to join my group chat?
Sure.
Okay, I'm adding you.
Back to the group chat.
Ah, who the hell is this guy?
A new member.
Hey, tell me your name.
I'm Emil.
Are you the brown rodent in the movie Ratatouille?
Come on, Steven. Leave him alone.
I'm not talking to you, Kristin.
Emil, I need to talk with you in private.
Very well, if you want to. Excuse me, Christine.
Okay.
In private chat.
What do you want?
Kristin is my girlfriend. Don't flirt with her.
Leave her alone.
What? Aren't you lying?
As you can see, both of us have a dragon as our mascot.
You better back off, man.
Okay. I say so, but I don't think so. Let's see what you can do.
Hey, are you two done talking yet?
Yep, it's all right now.
Shut up, man.
Okay.
We're done, baby.
What did you just call me? Baby.
Oh shit.
Haha, don't bother, Kristin.
Alright then. Did he just get jealous of Emil because of me? Is he already starting to like me? Shall we play zombie stories?
Okay, Christine.
Anything for you, dear?
Oh, it's getting both weird and better.
Hey, yo!
Another day.
Hey, do you want to play some family role game?
No.
Don't think it's a good idea, Christine.
Why?
We're all adults now, and that game is for children.
Zip it, man. If you don't want to play, then get out of here.
It seems like it's easy to make him triggered.
Kristen, I'll play with you.
Okay.
But suddenly,
Hey, yo!
Here you are, Christine. I've been looking for you, my dear.
Get the hell away from me. How cringe. Who are you? I don't even know who you are.
I'm a time traveler. I come from the future.
Did you just escape from the madhouse?
No, I am her future husband. We have 2 children, Jeremy and Amanda.
I don't care. Get out of here.
I'm not getting out of here until you say that you love me.
Enough. I can't take it anymore. Come on, get the hell out of here. Fortunately for you that I don't know your face. Don't let me catch you in real life, or I'm going to destroy you.
Oh my god. This guy is not someone I can mess with.
What nonsense are you babbling? Get out. Get out.
Okay, okay.
The power of love is extraordinary.
Emil, what did you say?
No, I didn't say anything.
Are you trying to make fun of me?
No, man. What's wrong with you?
Are you okay, Steven?
No.
I guess no.
Anyway, thank you for protecting me, Steven. Maybe you like me too, right?
No.
What nonsense are you saying?
I don't like you at all.
What? But you.
Sorry, Christine.
I can't control myself right now. I need to go.
Are you okay?
No, I'm not in the mood for the game anymore. I should leave too.
Wait.
meanwhile, Carmen.
My god.
What just happened, man?
I was hired to flirt with a girl.
Did you make it?
No, I failed. I didn't know if she had a boyfriend or not. And I was threatened by a psychopath.
How easy to predict.
Shut up. There's nothing funny about that at all.
Do you want to bet?
Bet what?
I can make that girl fall in love with me in one day. If I lose, you can have all of my Robux. But if I win, I only need half of your Robux. Now what?
Alright, let's bet.
Another time.
It seems like it's not working yet. What else should I do next?
Do what? What were you talking about?
No, don't mind that. Where is Christine? Are you two still okay?
I don't know. But why are you asking that?
Why don't you just live with your true feelings? You like Christine, right?
I'm back, guys. And I hope there will be no craziness today, lol.
I hope so too.
Okay, let's play some games, shall we?
Hi, everyone.
Great, another clown.
Can I ask who is Mrs. Christine Maximoff?
It's me. Who are you, and how did you know me?
What kind of question is that? You are so famous. People know you and love you. My name is Jeremy, and this is my photo. I have a gift for you too.
What is this?
100,000 Robux. Open it up, Christine.
No, I don't take things from strangers. Take it back.
Sorry, but I don't take back what I gave.
New guy, leave her alone.
Excuse me, but I'm not talking to you.
I don't need this.
I heard that you're in love with a psychopath. Who is that guy? Is he here? You should dump him and love me. I can give you as much Robux as you want. And if you don't love me, I'll hack your account.
I can't take it anymore. I won't hide it for any longer.
What the? Oh no. My avatar. Why did you turn me into a bacon? My friend and I had a bet that the one who could become Christine's boyfriend would get a large amount of Robux. I was just trying to win that bet.
Shut up, you moron. Christine is something that you can use to make fun of. Who did you bet with? Bring him here.
No, I can't. I'll lose all of my Robux to him.
I'll hack your account and take away your Robux.
Okay. I'll add him here.
What? Why am I here? Oh, what the?
Not this stupid guy again. I'll turn you into bacon too.
No. Jeremy, what did you do?
I'll take away all of your Robux.
Oh no, there's no Robux left in my account.
And I'm thinking about erasing you two from this world.
Don't.
That was insane.
Christine, I'm so sorry for everything I said and did to you. I didn't live up to my feelings. I love you, Christine.
I love you too, Steven. Why did you pretend that you hate me?
I was heartbroken before. I was going to pretend to hate you forever. But Emil tried to flirt with you. Then two crazy guys used you for their stupid bet. I couldn't keep pretending that I hate you anymore. Would you please forgive me?
I will forgive you, Steven.
Well done, Steven. Well done. I think I should tell you the truth before you find out about that and take revenge on me.
What do you mean?
Remember me?
What, Jerry?
That was our plan to make you both fall in love with each other. We hired Carmen to do as we tell him to do.
But we didn't expect that he and his friends would dare to make a joke of Christine.
We are so sorry.
Thank you for telling me the truth. Now it's time to pay. I'll hack you both too.
What?
Steven, don't. If you love me, please don't hack them.
Why?
Those two guys deserve those bad things for teasing and annoying me. But Ursula and Jerry are our friends. If they didn't do that, would you tell me your feelings and love me?
All right. That makes sense to me. I'll spare you.
Thank you.
That's my boy. I love you, Steven.
FBI, open up!
Mr. Squidward, it's not time for your break. I'm taking a permanent break from you!